Hey Ernie, how's it going?
I can't believe it. I've just been given a model with a list of changes, but I don't know how it was designed or who designed it. So I don't know how to change this, which features are tied together, or even who to ask about it.
Well, what if we just use the model as is and make the changes according to the list as it needs to be for us right now? Here, let's open the model in Solid Edge and edit the model using direct editing tools with Synchronous Technology.
Well, okay, I guess, but this is not a solid edge file.
No problem. Solid Edge can open all major CAD file types. In fact, Solid Edge can be used to edit a native file from Inventor, Pro-E, Creo, AutoCAD, and SolidWorks, along with general translations like STEP, IGES, and Parasolid.
Cool. But how are we going to edit this model? There are no features in the feature tree.
Let's edit the model using direct editing with Synchronous Technology. Features won't matter for this edit, but we can add features like rounds, holes, and patterns if needed.
Okay, but what do you mean by synchronous?
Synchronous technology and direct editing allows us to take full control of the model and change whatever is needed. Synchronous lets the model speak for itself and lets us see the design model as is. So if I'm like you and don't know how the model was designed or who designed it, or how to change it, or which features are tied together, or even who to ask about it, it still won't matter. Solid Edge will help us get the job done.
Well, okay, so the first thing is to rotate the corner fins 10 degrees to open the spacing of heatsink fins on all four corners. Oh, I see down by the body. The fins are too close to each other.
Okay, let's highlight the part of the model that needs to be changed. Set the intent rules showing Solid Edge how we want the model to respond during the change, and then take this magnetic handle and place it in the center of our rotation.
Wait, so you just grab and drag in any way you want?
Sure, but you can also enter the exact rotation that the change list said. So let's rotate the fin precisely by 10 degrees.
Oh, look, all the corner fins changed, but we only changed one fin.
Solid Edge has a tool that helps us find other related faces in the model, such as those on the same plane or symmetric faces on the other side of the model. So when we took one fin, Solid Edge found the other similar faces in the model. In this case, all the corner fins move in one step. But remember, we're in control of the model. We can turn off the tool and work only on the faces we choose.
Okay, so far so good. We took care of the first item on the list. That was quick. Next, we need to change the radius of the model at the start of the fins. They need to go to 7 millimeters. But look at all the little sections between the fins. I guess I'll have to draw a few circles.
Wait, let's use Solid Edge and just make the change like the list says. Watch, I'll touch the radius section and Solid Edge will tell me what size it is. See, it's giving me the chance to change to a new dimension. So let's go from 5 millimeter to 7 millimeter.
Oh, that's too cool. All the sections changed.
Yeah, and they changed on both sides of the model.
Okay, so now I need to get all the fins in a uniform rectangle and change the total size to a new dimension.
Okay, so let's take this in two steps. First, let's get all the fins aligned to the rectangle shape that they need.
Wait, let me guess. Now we select only the top side fins and we let Solid Edge and its direct editing tool find the matching face and it does the rest.
Exactly. Hey, who's running the tool here?
Ha! Yeah, I'm seeing Solid Edge for the first time and I'm feeling like I could do this myself.
Ernie, you're right. That's the power that Solid Edge with direct editing gives you.
Okay, so now we have the rectangle. Let's make the size right.
Here we dimension the rectangle at the required size, and we have the direct edit tool make all the faces work together.
Wow, I guess that's it. Solid Edge really did the job. I thought I was going to have to redraw this entire model from scratch to make those changes.
Yeah, I know, and I wouldn't redraw this if I didn't have to. But Solid Edge and its synchronous technology and direct editing handles the job. So remember, when we started and we didn't know how it was designed, or who designed it, or how to change it, which features were tied together, or even who to ask about it. And here we are with the finished model.
Hey, let's save the model and tell the manager we did this all in Solid Edge, and it worked great.